Let's work off of this, right? They say we have 5 elements, but I mean, they count space and it looks like Akashic, the vibration for space, because everything vibrates in space, but really space is occupied. Space is empty. It's a void. It's a coordinate of an area, dividing the day and the night between the aether. The wood goes for the moon. We have the demon, right, go for Mars. We have metal go for Mars. Man is with air. Fire is part of the gold. It's part of our creation of the heavens, the fire. The water is the division between what is 6 and 7 when you're connecting the birth with the spirit at the 7th gate. Earth is basically the same thing. It's half and half. Whatever you can cut in half with 5, you can rebuild with 2. So now what we have is we have the fire going into the metal and over to the wood. So we're going to connect fire and wood. We're going to connect these two over here. Then what we're going to do is go to the wood, goes to the earth, and the earth goes to water. So now we're going to go wood, right? And we're going to connect that with water. So we're going to go A, then we're going to go B, B. Now what we have, right, is we have water. Water is going to go to fire and over to metal, right? So now we're going to have water and metal. Now we're going to have water C and metal C. And metal goes all the way up to wood and into earth, so metal and earth. So mark that D and D. So now we're going to take earth and go down into water and up to fire. So now we have earth and fire. E, E. And I had just take away the metal over here. So let's see if we got all this done. We did the fire down to the metal over to the wood. Right, if we did it backwards, we go over to the metal over to the fire. So wood and fire would go together, AA. So we have DD, CC, BB, and EE. And this is this connection. Why do I do that? Because the center of the connection, right? And everything seems to go 2 and 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 1. So this is the connection. Fire, skip 2, right? And then metal, right? You skip this one, you go to earth, so metal and earth. So metal, CD, earth. So we got the 2 D's coming together. Then we got earth, and we go down here and up to fire. So we got earth, fire, ED. So we have fire, we got the E and the E for earth, right? So here's how we connect this basic element. So since we have this, the Chinese zodiac, right, will have to be 5 times the 12 years in order to get to the 60. And in the Chinese zodiac, I'm going to get back and show you a little bit more. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus, not just the day of the week, but the dividing 7th gate, right, to what is the creation of 11. Here again, this is what divides the gate, and over here 6 and 8 are the 2 sides of that gate. Then over here is the rotation in the sun. 6 and 9 are birth into life. And here it is our birth and our gateway into life. And Sunday is for the sun, and all of this is the word day for creation. But it's 26 and 4 for day. 28, not the same, it's a negative TH, but this is for teaching. Thank you for watching this video.